Hello and welcome to the series of how to make a game in C language. So I've built it before I record this series, and I'm using REPL.it. It's a compiler, online compiler. This compiler is can have many languages. Let me show you. You go REPL.it and you can see here it has Python, Node.js, C++, Ruby, HTML, CSS, JS, Rust, Go, Java, and you can see many different programming languages. So I've created this this little game right here, so I'm going to explain everything before I continue doing this game. This game is a texture game. I will show you later on how this game is and how it works. So here we include libraries. So you in a program, in programming, you include languages to get some codes, get some pre-made code for your program to work, basically. So this is one of the mains that C has, is stdio.h. Here I include this one as well, the term as well, this one as well, and this one as well. I will have it in the description for you. Don't worry about the libraries. You can search it up on Google and find many languages for C. To find many libraries, for C language. Here I define colors for my program. So in your program, if you do this, if you do /x1b /x1b and 0m, if you do this, you're going to have a color in your text like that. You see this in a printf. You're going to it's going to pop up a color for your text. Okay, so I defined this as a name: ANSI color red. Alright, ANSI color green. This is the color green. This is the color yellow. This is the color blue. This is the color magenta, cyan, and reset. If you put a color, let's say in a printf, alright, printf is a pre-made code. When you call it, so when you write it, you're gonna have in here the console a message, a bare message. This message is contained right here. You put whatever you want here. You can say hello, you can say what's up, you can say anything, blah 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 blah. Okay, and use space as well. You can do anything you want in this pre-made code right here. So if you do x1b 31n and you say hello, later, if you don't want what's up, if you want hello to be red, and what's up you don't want to be red, so before what's up is written, you do x1b 0m, and then what's up is printed in your console. alright, as white. If you don't do that, WhatsApp will be red. If you don't do that, if you don't reset the color. So you get the point, I guess. Now define means that when I use this this name right here, it's gonna call this. So this is the red color in C language. So when I call this in my program, if I want to color a text, I don't call this, I call it by the name. That's what define is. Define, I can say like an example. So I put he is 10. Alright, now he is going to be 10 no matter what. Alright, and if I call it down in my program, it will be 10. Okay, that's what define is. So these right here are my choosing properties, because it is a text adventure game, so you're going to have a lot of choices to do as a player. Choosing this right here isn't the main in your program. So if you don't know what the main function is where you put your coding. So my main function is right here, int main. Alright, that's my main function. Here I'm calling the functions that I'm making. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to explain you in a little bit what I mean right here. So yeah, in the main function I'm calling functions that I've made. So let me show you. So this is the main. Alright, this is the main. For the menu of the game, I'm making my function. So char my menu char he. So return he. I'm returning he because where is it? Because he is a char, and this function is char menu. So I'm recording a char right here, a character. That's why I've got it like char. I can do it like integer, so I'm going to return an integer right here. Alright, whatever you want to return, whatever you want the function to return to you when you call it, I wanted he to be returned. Alright, char he. I put the char here there. Do scanf. Okay, so we have here new game credits and exit, right? That's when the game starts, right? Let me show you how I did that. Alright, new game. Alright, this is the print main code. This is the lines. So in this printf, I'm saying to my code it's simply logic, guys. Alright, code print me these lines right here. Alright, these lines, and the code says okay, I'm going to do that. So I'm saying in the code again, before the slashes, I'm saying before these lines, I'm saying to it, can you do it 2 lines 2 lines below, because \n means new line, double new line, right? Let me show you. You see this gap right here? Now there's no gap. Alright, you get the point. If you do 1 slash again, wait a second, if you do it like that, it's back to normal. Okay, if you do it one more time, look, it's one under. Alright, one below. and again. Alright, I'm doing it with 2\n in this case. Alright, now I'm saying under these lines right here, you're going to print new game, credits, exit. Alright, but how am I saying that? Let me show you. This is that in my code. This right here is that. Now I'm putting the color, so 1x \x 1b 32m. Alright, you see that? You see that? Alright, now 1, which is that one, and later on I reset it. You see, reset it, and now we have this one and this one. And now what happens when I reset it? I put this. So if I haven't reset that, let me show you. If I haven't reset the color, boom, it's gonna be like that. We don't want that. Get what I mean? Boom. Alright, so that one is that one. This code right here is just the green color, not the one. You get the point. This one is similar, and then one is that one, and then color reset is that one, and that one is that one. You know, new game, new line, credits, and then new line again, double new line, exit. Okay, it's the same. Alright, okay, I hope you got that. I hope I'm explaining it understandably. When the player decides to write down a 3, right? Invalid choice. You can't. You don't have the option right here. Okay. If so, I'm saying do. Later, I put this right, and then I put lines. Okay, and then I'm saying new line, and this little arrow right here. You see this arrow? This little arrow. This is the option he's taking. So here he's gonna write his option, right? 3, 4, 5, whatever, as many invalid choices he wants. Alright, I'm saying do to my program, do scanf. So scanf is when the player is going to type something, and the program is going to take that value. So my program will take the 3 right here, and if he I'm just storing it, the 3, I'm storing it in a character in char here. Alright, let me explain to you better what I mean. So scanf works like this. Scanf here, like printf, right? But here, whatever you want to store, you're storing it with %s for string. Alright, S for string, C for character, I for integer, or D for integer. C language only. Okay, you do it. But this, if you want an integer, you do this integer, and then you're calling where you want to store it. Alright, so I'm storing it in here, in this parenthesis of this function. Alright, in the menu parenthesis here, char here. We have it like char. It is an integer, but you can store it as a character, as one character. It's no problem in this case. Alright, scanf I he. So if you want to get let's say your program has this. Alright, give me number, and later you type this, in the next line, scanf, %i and sorry to he, integer he. Alright, if you want a character, it is a number, but if you want to store it as a character, let's say you do char he and C right here. I'm going to store it in, oh sorry, I'm going to store it in he, alright, as character, %character, give me number. So you're going to have stored this. Okay, I'm saying to the program, alright, scanf C store it to he as a character, store it to he, right? If he do scanf, like do this, alright, do this. If 3 isn't 1 and isn't 2 and isn't 0, printf invalid sus. I think this is simple to understand. Because it is characters, I'm putting this right here, these little dots or whatever. Alright, if 3 isn't 1 and this is the symbol and he isn't 2 and he isn't right here 0, then I'm opening this and closing this right here. Here is the code if he, like if 3 isn't 1, 2 and 0. Here I'm printing this is a pre-made code, alright. I'm printing invalid choice. Let me show you. Invalid choice /n \n new line choose this one right here, green 1, choose 1, and again you get the point and press enter. Alright. Int the name of the variable, integer, true 1, and the variable 1. Alright. If you want a character, you do char from character, John equals no char letter 1, for example, or letter, however you want to do it. These dots are here, X. Alright. If you want a string, so many letters together, you do char John equals John. Alright. Character John equals John. You can have a space right here, how much space you want, hello, new line, hi there. You get the point, right? So if you do it like this, I'm saying max letters 25, alright, and you go right here, John, in the place of 0, in the letter 0, you put G right here, you put G, right? You get the point, alright? Whatever you want, depends on your program, alright? So I'm calling a variable, an integer variable by the name of true 1, alright? If the dude doesn't type 1, 2 or 0, I'm printing invalid choice, choose, alright? And true 1 equals 0, alright? I've put it to 1, alright? Now it's 0 if it goes here, if you get it, if. Okay. True 1 equals 0, else if the player doesn't give an invalid choice, it goes right here, else true 1 equals 1. Alright, and I'm saying while true 1 equals 0, so this symbol right here, it's saying true 1 is going to be 0. Now this symbol is explained as true 1 equals 0. It doesn't put it as 0, but it's saying if true 1 equals 0, basically. So I'm saying while true 1 equals 0, okay, I'm not putting 0, but I'm saying while true 1 equals 0, right? If you go to my main function right here, I'm putting char option, right? I'm setting a character. I'm setting up character name option. Name of the variable is option. Type of the variable is character, right? But I'm not setting up what this is for, right? What's going to be inside. So here I'm saying it. I'm calling it option from character option equals menu option. So if we go up to the other function, the menu function, we're calling the menu function, right? Menu parenthesis option. So if we go here, char menu, right? We're calling menu. This is how you call a function to your main function. So we're calling menu character he we have right here, but the parenthesis, but in here the parenthesis, whatever is written right here, the main function can't see, only if you call it. Alright, so character he, alright, I'm calling my option right here, I'm calling option. Okay, option equals menu option, right? In case 1 in case the player types 1, right? Case 1, switch option. So what I'm doing here is I'm switching cases, alright? So let's say 1. In case 1, you see printf loading. So if the player enters 1, we get a loading text. Sleep 2, so it is sleeping for 2 seconds, the program, until system clear, until the system clears. So he types 1, loading, it's sleeping for 2 seconds, it's system clear, then the console is clearing, alright, and then it goes on to the other function, alright. The system clears and it goes to the other function. So in the other function it's called name, so char onoma, char name, alright, char practice 25 maximum letters. So here we have this welcome play system setterm bold on. It's a pre-made code so that your text, the bold of your text is going to be bigger, you know. So the letters now are a little bit bigger, not that big, and basically this is it. If you have any questions while I'm making the game, make sure to ask me. So these are ASCII, right? I found ASCII from here, right here. If you go right here, you can do this, you can copy this and put it in a printf, you know. You do it like this, but you're going to have to copy and paste many printfs, you know. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines, alright? No, 7 lines, about, yeah. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So 7 printfs, you know. Printf, you printf this one, and then 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 this one. Alright, 7 printfs, so okay. And now I'm saying you're gonna begin right here. You're getting out of your comfort zone to travel miles away from your island to find supply, okay? I'm putting a name right here, John, type your character's name, and yeah, welcome player, type your character's name, system clear, tap anything to continue. So let me show you how this works now. Type anything to continue. So I'm saying type anything to continue, right? Scanf, I'm getting it as the character in my program, and I'm saying where I've stored it, alright? I'm saying enter 0, rename this, rename the enter 0 to A. So if he's typing C, I'm going to replace that C with A, no matter what. Alright, so I'm storing a C right here on the enter 0. I'm storing a C. I'm saying make it to A. Enter 0, do it to A, not C. Forget about that. But he's going to have to type it anyway. But I'm saying type anything you want. So if he types Z, again, enter 0 equals A. If enter 0 equals with A, system clear. And it continues. It's just a breakpoint, right? So I'm saying this and not sleep 5 seconds because the player might have been in the toilet, you know, or anything. He could have been to go to eat, and he turns back and sees nothing from where he left it, right? But if he goes to sleep, to drink, eat or anything, he comes back and sees this, type anything to continue. So this is a breaking point. So I'll show you the game that I've made so far. So we tap 1, loading, boom, welcome player, type your character's name with a fancy art, ASCII art. It says zone, your journey begins right here. You are getting out of your comfort zone to travel miles away from your island to find supply. I tap anything, boom, ASCII art, boom, traveling. This is all printf and sleep, alright? And now you manage to sail safely. With the first you go, you suddenly find a village house. So he finds a village house. And I have few options right here. Knock, peek through, keep going. I'm going to knock, alright? You hear someone screaming. Guy, get away from me. In shock, you take a step back. That voice sounds familiar to you. Type anything to continue. M. John, blacksmith, is that you? John, get inside quick. Blacksmith is the guy that provides you with clothes every time you come here. He's trustworthy. John, monsters have taken over the whole village. I managed to come back to my house, but John, I'm losing a lot of blood. I've been attacked. What is going on? For your own safety, please go to my basement, where whatever armor you want, I've created them just in case. John, okay. And now I'm giving the player options to choose. So pick your tribe. Native American. M. Native American tribe is the tribe with the most stamina. They've learned very well how to use their abilities at the right time and effect at the same time. So I'm creating a little story for the player so that he can find it attractive, alright? Basically. So I'm saying health, armor, damage of the Native American, mana, stamina, positioning. Right? Type Y to confirm. From yes, and next type N. So if I type Y, if I type N, you'll see that pick your tribe, wizard tribe. So there's another tribe, alright? And then if I type N, nothing. I've left it right here. if I typed Y, let me show you. Pick your tribe. So pick your tribe, type anything. If I clicked Y right here, Ranger Native American, so pick your class now. You start off with a wooden bow as your first weapon. Type Y to confirm, next type N, class, pick your class. White glowing magic stick as your first weapon. Right? I don't know why it does that. Ranger. Oculist. Okay. Ranger, Oculist, Defender, alright. Type Y to confirm. Type N next. Ranger, Oculist, Defender. Alright, good. Type Y, and this is where I'm left. Alright. New game. Type N, Wizard. To confirm, black magic wizard, grey magic wizard, white magic wizard. So you start off with a white cape class 1 as well. Alright. So I'm left right here. Let me copy that quickly. So white magic wizard, choose 8. Okay, so now we will have our type N right there. Black, gray, type Y to confirm. Alright. We choose go to clear. So I'm saying right here, if choose 8 0 equals Y, go to end class. Right, end class, I've set it right here, end class, and this singular right here. Right, so the program, if it types Y, it goes right here and it sleeps for 5,550 seconds, right? But else if next, if the player types N, system clear, channel line 5. So I'm setting up a line, so a character variable. I'm setting up a character variable with 255 places, characters, a string with 255 letters. Yeah, so I'm going to take a file from a system, from a computer, to print it in the program. So instead of taking one by one lines from here, what I'm going to do is tell the program that I want a file. So I'm telling it file as file, asterisk the name, just any name, file wizard 6 in this case, equals file open parenthesis wizard txt. So this is a text document. Wizard txt is right here. Wizard txt, right? And then read r, read for int I for 18 places plus plus. So I set up, this is the for this is how for works, alright? If you don't know how these things work, I'll have a video in the description where a guy explains it better than me, alright? So for 18 places, fgets, it's like scanf, it's like scanf but fgets line 5, line 6 in this case. Okay, I don't know why I did that. 2055, that's the how many places the line 6 has. File wizard 5, file wizard 6 from the file wizard 6. So it gets every line of the wizard txt from here, fgets for 18 lines, because I've set it up like this because it's 18, 20, so I'm going to have it like 20 instead. So I'm going to have it as 18. It stops right here, right? Whatever. So printf s line, so it's printing the line string, line 5, line 6. Alright, it's printing the line of the file wizard 6. Alright. And then he types in, so I'm going to say again, pick your class, pick your class, white. No. Oh no. If it types n, so in this case, if it types n, gray, black, so I'm going to write it here, class magic, not in here though. Class magic, alright? I'm going down to my program and I'm saying else if goto class magic. And fill the class, bro, what the fuck? Okay, don't get it. Why? So wizard type, epic confirm, black magic, next, gray, white. This is where we left, right? I'm typing N and it goes back to glass magic. Glass magic is where the black magic wizard stands for. So black magic wizard right here, it goes back down to here. Alright, I'm going to remove wait a second. Okay, so it's white. Alright, wizard type, confirm, black magic wizard, gray magic wizard, white magic wizard. I'm going to remove the screen right here. I don't want that. It's okay. And okay. Oh, come on. Gray. And black. Okay, all right. But the pick your class is going to be green. All right. Why did that? What the fuck? What just happened? I don't know. What has happened, mate? What is that? Why? Why? What the fuck is your problem? I don't understand, man. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. Okay, done. Ella. Okay, here in Warriors now. So instead of wizard.txt, we're going to have another ASCII art, but this time a warrior. So or knights. This is going to be the girl one, and this is going to be the boy one, the boy version. So look at what I'm doing right here. I've created a folder named game, right? And here I have all of these, which I have here. I'll create one saying warriors. In here I'm going to print every little line of here. File, save. I'm taking this with me in here, named warriors.txt. Yeah, that's right. Warriors.txt read. It's printing out 18 lines. We want 20 lines. We want 20 lines. Warriors tribe. Let's see it. Native American, wizard tribe, pick your tribe, warriors tribe. So I'm going to have a system clear to clear all of the app code and just have that. So let's see now. next, next, pick your tribe, warriors tribe. Alright. Now I'm going to have a little story about warriors, tribe. Warriors tribe. So what I will do is printf no, I will do it from right here again. So I'm creating a new text document for warriors text. Etc. with the most mana. So wizard stats, warriors text. So warriors tribe, the most health points and armor they've built their they've been building armor for themselves a long time ago. They know well how to protect themselves. First tribe is there with the most health points and armor. They've been building armor for themselves a long time ago. They know well how to protect themselves. That seems fair enough. So on 7 file warrior file warriors 7 line 5 line 7, I'm sorry. Warriors txt are warriors text txt warriors text txt read for every line, print it, and system set. Let's make them bold. Setterm bold on. There we go. Okay. Before that, I'm going to call. No. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing. Okay. Let's see it. Native American, next, wizard, next. Warriors unfortunately. Wizard tribe, warriors tribe. Tribes with the most health points and armor. They've been building armor for themselves a long time ago. They know well how to protect. How to protect? 5. How to protect themselves. Why? Why is that? What happened? I don't understand. What? Okay, I don't know why, but shit doesn't work. I'm just going to print. I don't know why it does that, to be honest. Now it's bringing up. What? 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 This is AIDS. What the fuck is going on? We're just gonna do that and themselves. What the fuck is... What? don't understand. Man, I don't understand. Really. What the fuck? What the fuck? I really don't get that. I really don't. Okay, let's say 5 is 4, right? Print 4. And print new line, then selves. First time it does that. I'm being dead serious. What? Okay, maybe because it was the sleep command right there. Yeah, maybe that's why. So protect themselves. Okay, now it should work. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. To protect themselves. Now we're writing warriors stats. Okay, so wizard stats. Health, damage, stamina, positioning. Health 550, armor 25, damage 25, mana 200, stamina right there. Positioning is gonna be so low, but it's alright. Save. Warrior stats. Warrior stats right there. Warrior stats. Okay. Line 8, followers 8, stats. Wait, how many lines? 6. So 6. Line 7, line 8. System bolt on, that's right. Wait, let me do that first. So wizard tribe, warriors tribe. Yeah, what's wrong with that? I don't understand this. No, I don't. Really, I don't know what's going on. Why though? What? Printf I'm saying 9 line 8 line 8. Okay, I got it. Okay, now that's right. That is right. Okay, warrior stripe is a tribe with the most health points in north. They've been building down how cells a long time ago. They know well how to build themselves. Health. Now you see they have more health than the other tribes. So I'm going to say I'm going to copy and paste this, type yes confirm, type into next. Yeah. Choose 9. Alright, choose 9. If choose 9 0 equals yeah, else if choose 9 equals n, go to warrior tribe, Native American tribe, pick your tribe, Native American tribe. Native American. primitive. Let's see it. To protect themselves, health, armor, damage, mana, stamina, position. Type and confirm. Type and next, and goes back there, there to the Native Americans. Now to the wizards. Now again, and now again from the start. Get me? We're doing a system clear as well to clear up this mess, and we're Gucci. We're Gucci. Native American, Wizard tribe, Warriors tribe, and again, now without the scrap it there, right there, with the system clear. That's a very good pre-made code to have. Yeah, seriously. So if he types yes, confirm, we don't have anything here. So if he types yes, we're saying system clear again. We are opening the ASCII art again. Like that. Where's 8? It's our line 8. 8, 8, and 8. Where's text? TXT. Warriors text, TXT, warriors. No. Warriors. Warriors TXT. Where's that TXT? Yeah, okay. 5, 20 right here. System clear. Again the ASCII art, and pick your tribe now. Printf. Pick your class, I mean. Pick your class. Pick your class. White magic wizard. So the first class will be fire warrior. Fancy color red. Not red, green. Fire warrior. Alright. Fancy color green. I'm setting up after this symbol here, unsecure green, fire warrior, and ANSI color reset. No, wait. After the ANSI color reset, we're setting up this symbol again. We don't need that, so it's line 6, it's line 7. Wait, we're building this in the wrong place. Wait. Okay guys, I'm back and I want to grab a coffee, actually. A hot coffee. Because it's winter and my nose is cold. So we left here with the class fire warrior, right? Fire warrior. The fire warrior will have most damage, so this class of warriors. So fire warrior class. No, this class has the most damage from the warriors tribe. You start off with a fiery. Does this word exist? Actually, fire. Yeah, it exists. Start off with a fiery sword. Class 1 and a wooden helmet and wooden chest plate. Chest plate or shield? Shield. With a fire sword class 1 with a helmet and with a shield. A little bit of extra health and armor. And damage. Health. How many health points? 10. Plus 10 health. Armor plus 10 damage plus 5. Yeah, that's right. Okay. That's good. Okay, so firewater, we'll place it right here. Firewater, pick your class. Firewater txt. txt Okay, good. Native American, next. Wizard tribe, next. Warriors tribe, yes. Firewater. Firewater.txt. Okay, I forgot to change those from the copy paste from before. So line 9. Okay, let's see it now. Let's see it happened. Type anything. Native American, next. Wizard tribe, okay. Warrior tribe, .25 armor. Wait a second, 1 minute. So armor 20, health 54, 450. Okay. $470. Yeah, okay. Water tribe, yes. Firewater. This class has the most damage from the Warriors tribe. You start off with a fire sword, class 1 wooden helmet and wooden shield, a little bit of extra. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. A little bit of extra health, plus 10, armor plus 10, damage plus 5. Will be added to your skills as well. So now we got 6 lines of code. Alright, that's fair enough. Reasonable done. So here is the name of the player, but we as you can see, we don't start from the beginning because I've closed these factions off, so we can go ahead and start from here. So we don't type a name right here, because if you do backspaces and plus, you cancel a code. You cancel a code to be displayed. So if you do this, the compiler, the REPL.it, the console in general will not read this. Will not read this if you type 2 backspaces, alright? 2 backspaces and more. Alright, so Wizard tribe, next. Warriors tribe, prepared to use skills as well. Pick your class. Alright, so choose 10. So we're typing here type, yeah, Y to confirm, or N for next. Okay, just like before. So choose 10. We don't want to be similar with the other ones because we might need those later on to the program. So choose 10. If choose 10 0 equals with Y, go to end Philly class. So I'm saying to go right here and sleep 5450 seconds because the program is has ended right here. We don't have any code afterwards, so and we just want to wait like that. So we go to end if he types Y because he chose fire warrior class, but else if choose 10 0 0 equals n, then what are we going to do is pick your class water warrior or not water but earth warrior, not earth, how do you say it, like earth warrior, earth knight, okay, earth warrior, it's the thing. So class fire so pick your class again, this time earth warrior. One second, I'm coming back. Okay, I'm back. So where we left, right here, earth water, file water 9, file water 10, file water 10, line 10, right there. Alright, earth water. So we make another text document right here, earth water, and we're just gonna say that this class has the most armor and health of all the water tribe. From all the water tribe. From this class has the most armor and health from the water tribe. You start off with a nature short class 1 wooden silver helmet and wooden silver chest plate, silver chest of silver boots, a little bit of extra of extra health. Plus 20 armor, plus 15 damage, plus 5 from the water tribe. Alright, save. So we pretty much made the earth water tribe. Let me put it right there, earth water. On the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. That's about it. 10. File water 10. Oh no, that's the fire one. Wait a second. Earth one, right there. Again, the type thing. What? Okay. 11. Right there, 11. Okay, let us see what we've done. So let's type next wizard tribe. Next warriors tribe. Confirm. Pick your class. John, this class has the most. Wait a second, 1 minute. Warriors tribe. So, Warriors tribe is the tribe with the most health points and armor. The building armor from themselves. Fire. Earth. Line 10. Next. So system clear. File warriors 20 12 I mean line 12 system clears the console and boom then pick your class with this Asgard Earth. Let's see it. Alright, okay, that's alright. So we got oh fuck. Alright. we need to put a line right there from the ASCII art and the picker class, like that, and we're good. Fire warrior, earth warrior. Alright. So if choose 11, so we're going to make another one, which is going to be called water warrior, equals with y, goto and fillet class. Else if, so the else if you can be right there, you can be right there as well if you want to, no problem for the program, equals with n. Okay. System clear. Warriors, pick your class, earth, type. That is just a copy paste now, basically, but this is good, this is alright. Basically this is cool, this is ASCII art, right? System clear, ASCII art, boom, warrior, boom. Now printf, this is the line, pick your class, earth class, instead of earth class we put water class. You get the point, I'm sure you got how you make a class in C. So water warrior, it's on line 13 alright. Water warrior. So for the water warrior, we're gonna give him more stamina, more mana, and positioning, basically. This class has the most mana from the warrior tribe. You start off with a watery sword, wooden shield, and wooden chest plate. A little bit of extra damage. Plus 20, plus 30, extra damage, plus 5, extra positioning, plus 20%. That's right. To start with just play it. Alright, save. We'll put it here. What is it? Water. So line 13. Okay, it's all good. Line 13. Line what? Line 14. Line 13. Line 14. Alright. This is good. Okay, this is good. Water stripe. Fire water, earth water, water. Alright. Extra positioning. Tap Y to confirm. Next tap N. So if choose 11 equals me yes, goto and fillet plus, else if choose 11 equals with next, goto earth, fire, warrior, like that. And you type right here, go to fire warrior. It's pretty understandable, I know. If you got any questions, of course you can ask me in this video and I will try to explain it in the next one. I promise. So, wizard tribe, water tribe, Native American, wizard, water tribe, fire resort, class 1, wooden helm, the wooden shield, a little bit of extra health, armor, damage with bad trigger skills as well. Earth, this class has the most armor and health from the world. Tribe, so nature shot class 1, silver chest, silver boots, and a little bit of extra health. Armor, damage with bad trigger skills as well. So you type next and water warrior. This class has the most mana position from the warrior tribe. Warrior tribe, you start off with a water sword, wooden shield, and wooden chest plate, a little bit of extra mana, extra damage, and extra position. Extra position. Extra positioning. Will be added to your skills as well. So we got 5 fire. I'm sorry. No, we got 7. So So if you type next, it goes back to the file. Alright, we're cool. Native American tribe, Wizard tribe, Warriors tribe. Fire, earth, water, and again and again. If you type Y, it continues the program. So that is how you make classes. That's how you make a tribe's class. And in the next one we'll be adding the gender and different ASCII arts for the gender, and before we do that I want to show you the whole thing once again, the whole program once again. So let's begin. You type a new game, right? Type your name, John. You saw how I typed John, the J was lowercase letter. What I did right here is I said if παίχτης όνομα, if παίχτης όνομα is the variable is the variable name for the name. It's right here, 25 words. Welcome player, type your character's name, scanf, παίχτης όνομα, scanf, write that one. Right? Now, if παίχτης όνομα 0, which is the, okay, let me show you. It's παίχτης όνομα 25 words. I pick up the παίχτης όνομα 0, okay, which is the first letter. It doesn't start from 1, it starts from 0. And you basically can write from 0 to 24, not 25. It's from 0 to 24, the maximum. So I pick up the first letter, yeah, and in this case it's J from John. And while first letter bigger or equals to 97, let's go to the ASCII numbers now. Alright, let me show you something. Alright, 95 is 97, I'm sorry, is A, okay? So in the ASCII numbers, alright, so if the character J is bigger or equals to 95 and παίχτης όνομα, and if J bigger or equal to 97 and J smaller or equal to 122, which is Z, so I pick up all the lowercase letters, right? If it is in this combination of lowercase letters, I'm saying J I'm saying I'm saying this. I'm saying J equals J minus 32. In this case, I've got the παίχτης όνομα minus 32. Instead of doing all of this, I'm doing this similar here, alright? And what that means is the ASCII number of J I'm actually minimizing it by 32. So minus 32, so let's say j minus 32 is 74, right? So that's the uppercase letter, right? That's how you do it from lowercase to uppercase. I hope you got that. I hope I explained it well, so you can actually get it. But nevertheless, here's how you make a lowercase letter to uppercase. Thank you. And no, we're not actually closing yet. Let me show you the whole thing. So traveling right now, you managed to sail safely into the forest. You go with some of the village house. So for the beginning, whatever choice I choose, the outcome will be the same. Let me show you. Before we knocked on the door, on the dude's door, right? Now we keep going. You see, keep going. Dot 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 dot. Hey, jump! Stop, please. That's the blacksmith. Get inside, quick. So, blacksmith, is that you? Blacksmith is the guy that provides you with clothes every time you come here. He's trustworthy. You type anything, that's blacksmith again. John must have taken over the whole village. I must come back in my house, but John, I'm missing a lot of blood. I've been attacked. What is going on? For your own safety, please go to my basement, wear whatever armor you want. I've got them just in case. Okay. I don't know why I did that, but what happened? I really don't know what happened. Wait a second, 1 minute. So, that coffee is delicious. Okay, so we have this little conversation here. He's dying, he's losing blood, right? Yeah, what is going on? I'm asking. For your own safety, go to my basement, wear whatever armor you want. I got them just in case. John says okay. And you pick a tribe. Like that. That's the intro of the game. I made the intro so far, and how to make tribes, how to make class. Next episode we're going to talk about how to put gender and I don't know why there's two there, but whatever. We're going to fix it in the next video, guys, because I don't have enough time today, so I have to do the video as well. So you type anything you want. We got Native American, we got Wizard tribe, and we got Warriors tribe. So next episode, clarifying genders, setting up checkpoint, and continuing the game with monsters and the continuation of the story. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.